Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at how to pass your C-9 drywall license exam. Now, the C-9 drywall contractor license exam is broken up into a few different sections. There's a section on planning and estimation, preparation for installation, installation of drywall, ceilings and related materials, finishing, and safety. Now, you'll also have to pass a law and business exam that's going to include sections on business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and then there's also a portion on public works. Now, the CSLB exam obviously is two parts, so it's 115 questions of law and business and 115 questions covering drywall. It's multiple choice, it's going to be closed book, and you'll get 3 hours to complete each section. Now, it will be done on a computer, and you will have to physically take it at a CSLB testing facility. So if you're applying from out of state, just remember that you will need to come to California to actually take the exam. But there are testing centers throughout the state. Now, for a full guide, pretty much from beginning to end on requirements, experience requirements, journeyman level, breakdowns and kind of how to fill out the application and all that kind of thing, we've got a free guide. You'll see a link pop up in the top right-hand corner. I suggest you download that. It's got a ton of information that'll save you a lot of time and answer a lot of questions about all the administrative process. Now, the drywall specialty portion of your exam, it's really important to remember that in California, you've got to be a journeyman to be able to even take the exam. So you're going to need to be prepared to answer a lot of different questions about your trade, including tools and materials, preparation, attaching drywall to wood or metal framing. You'll want to know about semi-solid and solid partitions, metal door framing, joint and surface treatments, different repairs in drywall, fire resistance, sound control. And then you'll want to be familiar with a different array of drywall related terms. It's going to be really important that you know all of that. Now, the mathematics that you'll want to know in regards to this exam is going to be including definitely, calculating square footage, different units of measurement. Obviously, you'll want to have your basic math, so your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And then, cost calculations are going to be a huge part of the exam too. So you're going to want to make sure that you're familiar with all of this. Now, when you're preparing for your exam, it's really important that, you have a strong foundation in California law and business. You really want to have, a good knowledge of your trade-specific fundamentals, the possible questions. California is different from other states in that, in some other states, there's a residential and a different license for commercial. So in California, it's all bunched into one. So a lot of times guys will take the exam and they'll see questions about different trade duties that they may or may not do on a daily basis. So you want to make sure that all of that is reviewed. California health and safety codes, laws, regulations, job site safety, workers' rights, things like that are really big in California. So you want to make sure that you're familiar with all of that. And of course, math, you want to have your fundamental math skills. You want to know your common equations and formulas, etc. Make sure you have some test taking experience. Online practice tests are extremely helpful. Flashcards, and not only questions and answers, but getting explanations as to why the answers are correct can do a lot to really help you. And, make sure that you get walkthroughs of the exam with licensed contractors and lawyers who can kind of help you understand the different terms and not only help you pass the exam, but give you insight into, how to start and manage and run a successful contracting business. Just want to thank you for watching. We've got a complete course that'll prepare you in every way that you need to be prepared for the C-9 Drywall Contractor License Exam. You can check out the link that just appeared. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, trade skills, and more, check out our website, like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and we'll make sure we get those answered for you. But again, this is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.